Make a great choice today with the 2022 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, four-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.